Wow, I sure do love this stuff. It's most definitely works. Ordering the big 4 ounces next. We notice noticeable improvements when the kids have runny noses and coughs. This nips it in the butt and stops it. Never gonna go without. For me it's miraculous. I've been going to many different doctors to try to figure out why I was suddenly totally without energy. This was going on for several months, but none of the medical tests showed anything. From the first dose of the Echinacea I started regaining my energy. For me it's been wonderful. I use 1 full dropper in about 4 ounces of water and drink it down in the morning. I am getting back to normal fairly quickly. Click link in description for more reviews. Check our recommendations.